Maybe you experience a wonderful abundance of love and sex and intimacy in your life. And maybe you don't. Maybe you long for a relationship and you have just no idea where to find it. Or maybe you run into the same obstacles and challenges in all your relationships over and over again, and they never really work the way you want them to. And maybe you just wonder how to keep that spark, that sexual attraction alive that you find in your relationship right now. My name is Wilrike Sophia, and I have dedicated my entire life to passion, to finding that connection, that deep relationship with both myself and others. And I want to take you on a 10-week journey with me to enhance that relationship both with yourself and from there enhancing the relationships with others for greater sex, deeper intimacy and wonderful adventurous connections. Please explore this website and join me for this journey, because I believe that we all deserve abundant love in our lives.